For our next video, we are going to look at Chapter 3, Section 1, page 133, problem number 22. Here we are given a table of values for x and y, and we are asked to determine whether these are linear or not linear relationships. There are two methods that we could use. For method 1, we are going to graph. So, method 1, graph. So we're going to draw our y-axis, our x-axis, Alright, now our first point is -2 1/4. So I go left to -2, and I only go up a very small way, 1/4. Then at -1, I'm at 1/2. At 0, I'm at 1. At 1, I am up at 2, and at 2, I am up at 4. Now, in taking a look at this does not look linear. Now, since graphing is the least accurate method for determining this, let's just assume maybe we didn't get our grid with the lines, straight. We could use another method. Method 2 is using the slope. So we find the slope for several points. So method 2, slope. Well, if I look at the first 2 points, we have -2, 1/4, and we have -1, 1/2. Our slope is the y-coordinate of the second point, 1/2, minus the y-coordinate of the first point, 1/4, over the x-coordinate of the second point, -1, minus the x-coordinate of the first point, -2. Well, 1/2 minus 1/4 is 1/4. Double negative becomes a positive, so -1 plus 2 gives you 1. 1/4 over 1 reduces to 1/4. Now, if my slope for any of the other points is 1/4, and I keep trying them over and over, like the first 2 and then the second and the third point, then try the third point and the fourth point and the fifth point. If every one of them give you the same slope, then it is linear, because no matter where you are at on a line, the slope is the same. The points I'm going to use for this next slope is I'm going to use the -1, 1/2. That will be my first point. My second point will be 0, 1. So our slope, y-coordinate of the second point, 1, minus the y-coordinate of the first point, 1/2, over the x-coordinate of the second point, 0, minus the x-coordinate of the first point, -1. 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. Double negative becomes a positive, so 0 plus 1 is 1. 1/2 over 1 is 1/2. Since 1/2 does not equal 1/4, we can determine by the method of the slope that these relationships of points are not linear.